Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking. This is what I'm making for you, a yummy chicken dish. Over here I'm infusing half a cup of olive oil with a pinch of salt, onion and garlic. They are brown, so I'm going to take them out now. Oil smells good. There you go, take them all out. That's, like I said, onion, garlic and red chili peppers. Put it aside for garnish. Here I'm going to fry the chicken that I coated with the rice flour and potato flour that we use for mashed potatoes, with a little bit of salt and pepper. This is boneless chicken breast cut into small pieces. I'm going to fry it on both sides until it's golden brown, and then I'm making this onion. Slice it thinly any way you like it. Add some green pepper to it, and this is what we are going to do right after the chicken is ready. Alright, okay, that will be used for garnish. In the same oil, in the same pan, just add all that green onion, green pepper, both white and green parts of onion. Sprinkle a pinch of salt if you want, but I'll be adding some peppers. They have a little bit of salt in them. Then vinegar, 2 tablespoons, soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. There you go. A little bit of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in 1 cup of water, or 2 teaspoons in half cup of water. Make it as thick as you want. If you are serving it over rice, you can add more water to make the sauce a little bit loose. There you go. Okay, that's why I didn't add too much salt, because this is good enough. Add the chicken, mix it, make sure it's evenly coated on all sides with the sauce, and it's ready to eat. Because it's boneless chicken, I didn't cook it for too long. It's like 2 minutes on each side. There you go. Garnish it with whatever you like: green onions, peppers, chili peppers, cilantro. Bismillah, bismillah. This is ready now. It's mouth-watering yum. Okay, so I'm serving it today over a bed of mashed potatoes, or I have another choice with mac and cheese. There you go. That's over the mashed potatoes. Yum, yum, yum. My mouth is watering. I have to eat now. There you go. That's over mac and cheese. That's yummy, yummy. Who can say no to that food, right? Alrighty. So that's a family-friendly dish. That's going to be the dinner tonight. It's yummy. Don't forget to subscribe. Try